Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Toolsland Rework Station. This soldering station comes with a built-in PID program, providing temperature control for both the soldering iron and hot air gun. Also can easily degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit conversion for your work habits. Comes with sleep mode for soldering iron and standby mode for a hot air gun, automatic shutdown, and calibration function. This soldering iron station is rated for 110-127 volts USA specification. Do not connect this iron to a 220 volts power socket. This handle-type soldering iron with high-temperature silicone protective cover, anti-scald, uses high-quality ceramic heating core, heats fast, highly efficiency, and 392 to 896 F temperature control. Activates the sleep mode when 10 minutes non-use. The soldering iron's temperature cooling to 392 degrees Fahrenheit. Sleep mode protects the soldering tips plating from oxidizing when left unused, and extends the ceramic heating element's lifespan. The heat gun uses noise reduction design, built-in vortex fan, spiral outlet, efficient heat collection, rotating soft air, uniform heat dissipation, and no damage to parts. The temperature is 212 to 896 degrees Fahrenheit adjustable with variable air volume levels 1 to 8. When the hot air gun is placed into the holder, regardless of the temperature setting, the hot air gun will automatically stop heating and cool to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Our second best rework station is WEP882D Soldering Rework Station. This 2-in-1 rework station combines a soldering station with a hot air rework station in a super compact body. Comes with individual LED displays, power switches, temperature control buttons, and air volume adjustment. This rework station comes with a built-in PID program, providing temperature control for both the soldering iron and hot air gun. The soldering station temperature is 392 to 896 degrees Fahrenheit adjustable, and hot air rework station temperature is 212 to 896 degrees Fahrenheit adjustable with variable air volume. This unit comes with sleep mode for soldering iron, standby mode for hot air gun, degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit conversion, automatic shutdown, and calibration function. You can use these functions to reduce wear, extend soldering tips and heating elements lifespan, and achieve greater temperature precision. This soldering kit for electronics rework includes 2 spools of solder wire, 5 soldering tips, brass wool tip cleaner, desoldering pump, 1 pairs of tweezers, 3 hot air nozzles. You can get started with soldering with everything in this kit. Strong wind is heated evenly, suitable for all electrical circuit board maintenance, more convenient. Password protection key lock to prevent the assembly line staff from adjusting the temperature at will, which is more convenient for operation management. Sensor closed loop microcomputer zero crossing trigger temperature control, precise temperature control. Celsius/Hua style temperature conversion. Third pick in our list is Yihua 853D Rework Soldering Iron Station. You now get 3 professionally integrated stations in one compact package. The 853D series comes equipped with a soldering iron station, a hot air rework station, and a DC power supply, with voltmeter mode. All 3 stations can be used simultaneously or independently. You can set the soldering station from 392 to 896 degrees Fahrenheit, the hot air rework station from 212 to 896 degrees Fahrenheit with adjustable air volume, 120 liters per minute max. The DC power supply from 0 to 15 volts in output mode or measure 0 to 35 volts DC in test mode. We equip the station with a 0.5A/5 volts USB port so you can test or work on devices while they're powered. Both the soldering station and the hot air rework station come with a high precision PID temperature stabilization function to maintain them at the set temperature. This way, you can enjoy a more efficient and smoother soldering/rework experience. A series of assistive functions to help preserve your station in mint condition for longer. You'll not only save on electricity bills but also the cost to replace wearable parts. These functions include sleep mode, automatic shutdown, and more. Read and follow safety guidelines and instruction manuals that come with the product before using it. Number 4 on our side is Yihua 8786D Rework Station. This station combines soldering station and hot air rework station for versatile uses when it provides dual display system and dual power switch and other advanced software functions. Comply with UL Standard U.S. Important evaluation for safety electric appliances. With the high-end precision PID program, the station can monitor and correct the actual temperatures at high speed with fast temperature compensation to provide the accuracy that your projects ask for. This is an upgraded and exclusive safety design. Should the hot air gun stop putting out air unusually during use, the program will automatically set an alarm and cut off the power to the heating element to ensure safety. This product includes quality accessories and tools to provide an optimal experience for your work. Soldering, 90 watts output, fast heating up, and takes only 9 seconds to reach the melting point of 572 degrees Fahrenheit solder wire. Hot air gun 650 watts output, adopts high-frequency eddy current heating technology. The 650 watts hot air gun heats up to 896 degrees Fahrenheit in 7 seconds. The PID temperature sensor can quickly sense the real temperature change, and the temperature can be quickly and efficiently returned to achieve precise temperature control. Number 5 in our top 5 best rework station list is Yihua 959D Digital Rework Station. A rework station equipped with advanced functions, essential accessories and tools. This station comes with 3 preset channels: PID temperature stabilization, in-holder standby mode, digital temperature calibration, degrees Celsius per degree Fahrenheit temperature display modes, and more. You can use this station for applications including but not limited to SMD soldering, SMD hot air rework. The hot air gun heats up rapidly when picked up from the holder thanks to the improved heating element and heating system design. Plus, the control panel is made with solid and brushed aluminum to prevent leaving burn marks by accident. Save your regularly used settings into 3 preset channels and jump between channels with just one press. You no longer have to adjust the temperature over and over just for components and solders with different temperature parameters. An in-holder standby function to help cool the hot air gun when it is not in use, preserving your hot air gun in mint condition for longer. Equipped with Yihua's exclusive hot air gun failsafe function to make your work safer, and effectively prevent the risk of any fire hazards. As a professional manufacturer of hardware instruments, we know the importance of safety. DS882 2-in-1 soldering station will automatically be heating core short circuit protection, and the screen display HESE to prompt the user. Ceramic heating core will perfectly solve fast aging and large temperature change issues and gives you more safety to aid in overheating. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.